Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that gold is under pressure. We had a gap down opening on gold, and now we can see that gold is going down. Gold is heading towards the crucial level of 4,000 again. Remember a few days ago when gold was trading around 4,000, we had a tough time. Yeah, as a trader, okay, we were not sure about the direction of the market. There was no clarity. So it was, I won't say pathetic, but yes, we had to struggle. And now gold heading towards 4,000, okay, is not a good sign. And maybe market will give us a tough time again. So please be careful. And since market opening, we can see that gold is under good amount of selling pressure. So if you have any ongoing sell right now, yes, if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can hold your sell position because there is a possibility that we may see further downside on the chart of gold. Right now, at the time of recording the video, we can see that gold is trying to take support around 4050 to 4055. This is the current market support, a blue line here. But obviously, due to the ongoing selling pressure, we can expect that market will be going down further. Okay, so if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can hold your sell position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, you can look for a sell below 4050. So if it means if gold breaks 4050, you can look for a fresh selling position. And if you're wondering what is the reason behind this weakness, then my dear friends, okay, things have escalated again between USA and Iran. You can see gold falls on renewed US-Iran strikes. Gold slipped below 4100 announced on Monday, remaining under pressure as renewed missile strikes between US and Iran drove oil prices higher, fueling expectations of interest rate hike to curb inflation. Gold slides over 1% as oil surges on Strait of Hormuz closure fears. Gold declines amid renewed strikes in Iran, US-Iran conflict. When we were discussing about gold on Saturday, I repeatedly told you, maybe I repeated around 5 to 6 times, that please stay in touch with the news, and this was the main reason, because any news or any development during the weekend changes the direction of the market, and we can see right now. Gold was trying to recover till last week, and because of the renewed tension, okay, we can see that gold is under pressure again. So 4050 is a level below which we can look for a sell opportunity. And where is the next support? The green box that you see here is 4022, 4028. Okay, the green box that you see here is the next support. But my dear friends, keep in mind, a support doesn't mean that there will be a trend reversal. Support means the presence of buyers. As we have a good amount of buyers around this area, so we can expect a bounce. What bounce? A temporary bounce. As a day trader, you can expect 1 or 2 green candles. That's it. Look at your safety first. Personally, I will be exiting, and I'm planning to exit at 1 or 2 candles. That's it. So if you see market taking support around 22, 28, you can look for a buy position. But as we all know, market is full of surprises, isn't it? And especially gold. So if market hits 4022 with a big red candle, what do you think? What you should do? Obviously, you should avoid sell, because levels are there in the market. Okay, that doesn't mean that you'll have to take the trade. Some levels work, some levels do not work. So if market takes support, then only hit the buy button. If you see the market is standing at 4022 with a big red candle, then please avoid buy. And if you want to continue with your sell, you can continue, but use your common sense. That's my request. So opportunity number 1 is selling below 4050 if market drops. Opportunity number 2 on the chart of gold is expecting a one-time bounce or temporary buy around 402228. So these are the 2 trading opportunities on the chart of gold that I see. But we have a problem here. The problem is the gap down opening. If you look at the other charts of gold also, you'll see that market has opened gap down. And if you have been trading for months and years, you must know that no market in the world like gaps. Market always fills the gap. So during the day, if markets goes up suddenly, yes, if market goes up suddenly, do not be surprised. As I said, if you have been trading for months, couple of months or years, then you must have seen this each and every time that market always fill the gap. So here, if market goes up suddenly, do not be surprised. Then you can just exit from your sell. Okay, yes, you can just exit from the sell position and wait for the gap to fill. When market will fill the gap, you can expect the market to come down, because market closed around 4120 on Friday. So after hitting 4120, 4125, when market will be coming down, we can look for a sell position again. But yes, there is always a possibility in any market of the world that gap will be filled. So here also the possibility remains. So if market goes up suddenly, do not be surprised, because market may fill the gap. Oh, sorry, I took a screenshot. Okay. So these are the trading opportunities. Okay, so if market comes down, then we can look for a selling opportunity around this particular zone. And if not today, okay, maybe by this week, okay, market may go up again. For example, after taking support around, gold may shoot up, okay, to fill the gap. Anything may happen. Let's wait and watch. Today is little tricky. Let's see how does the market respond, because last time gold around 4,000 was tricky, was very much problematic for traders like us. Let's see how does the market respond to 4,000 this time. Okay, and again I'm repeating, okay, the green box, the support that you see here, okay, yes, we have some bias around this area, but no support, no resistance guarantee reversals. But yes, if a level is very strong one, then maximum it can just give you one or two candles, that's it. For example, if a market is going up suddenly when gold was bullish, okay, so if there is a very strong resistance, then what will happen? Will it be able to reverse the market? No. Fundamentals give direction, not the technicals. Support, resistance, blah blah blah, these are technical stuff. Okay, so when technicals and fundamentals collide, fundamentals usually win and they take over the charge. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care. And my dear friends, if you want to become a member of our WhatsApp community for regular updates, analysis, if you want to improve yourself as a trader, then you can simply join by opening a trading account under our referral. You don't need to pay any monthly fees, anything like that. Okay, you can just open your trading account under our referral. That's it. Okay, and make a deposit of $200. After that, just WhatsApp me. Okay, bye bye.